Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about Smoky Granite Mica, which is the paint code 1GO. I believe it's also called dark gray mica or slate gray in some other markets worldwide. This was not offered on the 2016 cars. It was only offered from 2017 to 2020, so only for 4 of the 5 years. It replaced the Nebula Gray Pearl, which you've heard me talk about before. That was a 1-year only car in 2016, 1-year only color. So Smoky Granite Mica, there were 184 of these cars produced worldwide out of the roughly 4,800 cars that were made worldwide. So the 184, that is not even 4% of the total production of the 11 colors that were offered for these cars. So pretty low, not as rare as the Flare Yellow or the Molten Pearl that you've heard me talk about in other videos, but it's down there. You know, the most common on these cars was white, ultra white. There's many other names for that in different markets, but the white GSFs with the red interior or the black interior, those were the most common cars. When you see them come up for sale, that's generally what shows up. So let's break down those 184 cars worldwide. 86 were for the USA, 49 states, so it's everything except for Hawaii. There was 1 for Hawaii, 9 in Canada, 2 in Puerto Rico, 11 for Australia, 2 for New Zealand, 54 in Japan, which is the second most produced, and 1 for the Gulf Corporation Council, the Gulf, that's Kuwait, UAE, etc. 2 for the general markets, which is everything outside of this, likely South America, China, somewhere else like that. 1 for the right-hand drive Europe market, only 1, and 13 for the left-hand drive market, and 2 pre-production cars. So again, we're focusing on the North American cars here, and so breaking that down even further, the 1 car in Hawaii, I think someone's storing that car away because the last reported mileage was 25, as in 2 digits. It is a 1-owner, no accident car, and it's still continued to be registered as of 2024. So obviously someone is holding onto that car. So there's 2 for Puerto Rico. Both have the red and black interior, which I'll put a picture of that on your screen here. We didn't get this in the USA. Everywhere outside it was available as an option, but not in the USA. So Puerto Rico, both of the 2 cars there have the red and black interior. And they're both 2-owner, no accident, clean title cars, and they're both still there in Puerto Rico. Canada had 9 cars, 6 had the red interior, 3 had the black. All of them are clean title cars. All are still in Canada, with only 1 showing an accident that's been reported. So on to the USA 49. 2017, there were 39 cars. 18, there were 16. 2019, there were 12 cars. 2020, there were 19 cars. So that's a total of 86. 86 of those cars, 2 had Stratus Gray, which is the white interior, 32 had black, 46 had red, and only 6 had it's called the LA03, kind of the 3K carbon. It's the black and white interior. There were 2 different versions. US only got 1 of those. So all of those black and white interior models are all 2020 models. Red was obviously the most common. And so of those 86, only 48 have clean title, no accidents, which is 55%, which is pretty much the average that you see amongst the rest of the GSFs. 52 to 55% of these cars have a clean title with no accidents. There are 27 that are clean title with at least 1 accident reported, and broken down further, that's 23 with 1 accident, 3 have 2 accidents, and 1 has 4 accidents on it. There are none with a rebuilt title in this color, in this Smoky Granite Mica. There are 11 with a salvage title. Of those, 4 are either scrapped or not repairable, and the remaining 7 were exported from an insurance auction like Copart, IAAI, or others. Those went to Spain, 3 went to Oman, Ukraine, Hong Kong, and 1 in the UAE. The average mileage for the Smoky Granite Mica cars is 42,700 miles, call it 43,000, with the lowest being that 1 car we discussed in Hawaii. The second lowest mileage is a 2,300 mile car in California, but nothing's been reported since 2018, so either somebody's riding dirty or it's stored away in a collection somewhere. The next lowest being 4,700 miles on a car in Utah, and the highest mileage. There's actually 4 that already have over 100,000 miles. The highest one, it's here in Texas with 111,000 miles. It's a 2-owner, 1-accident car, and that mileage was as of June 2024, so it's likely even higher than that. So let me know in the comments, is Smoky Granite Mica, is that one of your favorite colors of these cars? It's one of those colors for me that you really have to appreciate it, seeing it in the sunlight. As with a lot of the colors of these cars, they have a special pearl, special metallic mica, whatever you want to call it, that's in the paint. And when you have it kind of in fluorescent light like this, you really can't appreciate it like you can in the sunlight. So let me know in the comments, is this a color car that you are specifically looking for? Is it one of your favorites? Is it one of your least favorites? Again, let me know in the comments. Thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you soon.